Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited Custom Crate Engines. And again, what's a custom crate engine? Custom crate engine is when you are able to call someone that can build an engine the way you want it to look and perform. And also, when it comes to your door, you'll open that package up and be able to drop it in your car without having to change timing covers, oil pans, and stuff that you just don't need or want or don't have it included. Our engines come so fine-tuned that they're ready to run right out of the box. They have thermostats, they have oil in them, timing has been set, and they've been broken in. We know they run great, and we'll show you a video of it running just like you see here. Again, this motor happens to be a 427 Windsor, our 500 horsepower edition. This one, customer opted to put some beautiful Ford 427 Cobra valve covers on. Got the beautiful March Serpentine kit. Variety of ways, alternator only, alternator power steering, or alternator power steering and air conditioning. Again, these motors come carbureted or EFI. This gentleman chose EFI, and I agree. EFIs are becoming a big part of the old industry of building some of these higher horsepower, old school classic engines. Again, we custom build each and every engine to order. If you'd like your engine custom painted, I can do that for you also. Here at Proformance Unlimited, we enjoy what we do. We don't even call it work. It's what we do and enjoy doing. Hey, check us out. 1-800-267-3940. The proof is in the performance. Thank you. There we go. Nice. We got our handhelds there. Come down here. We got it all set up here. That's got, yeah, it's going to come down to about probably 850 on the RPM. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful.